ओम नमो विश्वरूपाय विश्वस्थित्यन्तहेतवे विश्वेश्वराय विश्वाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः. Further Brahma said, I do make my panegyric to him, so saying, Bho Bhagavan, thou art in thy cosmic form, pervading all through the universe, in and out of it. Thou art the sustainer as well as the destroyer of the universe. Thou art the Lord of all lords. Thou art the very substratum of the universe. I make my humble panegyric unto thee. Finally, I make surrender to thyself in the form of Govinda, the Lord of the Gopa Gopis of Vraja. Namo Vijnana Rupaya Paramananda Rupine Krishnaya Gopinathaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Further he says, Bho Bhagavan, thou art the very transcendental supreme consciousness. Thou art the very transcendental supreme conscious being. Thou art the embodiment of supremely delightful nectarian bliss or very ocean of nectarian bliss. So I make myself surrendered unto thee, who is synonymously known as Krishna, Gopinatha, Govinda epithets. Namah Kamala Netraya, Namah Kamala Maline, Namah Kamala Nabhaya, Kamala Pataye Namaha. Bho Bhagavan, thou art the lotus-eyed. Thou art having garlanded of lotus. I pay my obeisances to thyself. Thou art the lotus-naveled. Thou art the Cupid spouse of the Vraja Gopis. I beseech unto thee. Barha Pida Viramaya Ramaya Kuntamedase Rama Manasa Hamsaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Bho Bhagavan, thou art fancifully decorated thyself with peacock feather on the crown of thy head, and with that thou appear super excellently beautiful, which is one of the special features of thy Rupa Madhurya, of thy Swayam Rupa, at thy Vrajalila. With thy that Rupa Madhurya as Rama, Cupid lover, and with thy all super excellent dexterities, assisted by Yogamaya, thou sport on the ocean-like, love-laden bosom of the Vraja Gopis like a swan. Thou art the Govinda. I beseech unto thee. Kamsa Vamsa Vinashaya Keshi Chanuragatine Vrishabhadvaja Vandyaya Partha Sarthaye Namaha. Bho Bhagavan, thou art the killer of Kamsa along with his all the followers. Thou art fancifully at case killed the demon Keshi as well as Chanura, also Mustika. Vrishabhadvaja Mahadeva Shiva makes his panegyric unto thee, and thou hast so graciously showed thy super excellent bounteous affection towards thy devotee by becoming charioteer of Partha, Arjuna. I pay my obeisance unto thy lotus feet. वेणुवादनशीलाय गोपालाय हिमर्दिने कालिंदीकूललोलाय लोलकुंडलधारिणे. Bho Bhagavan, the very super excellent characteristic is by hailing thy dexterity of duet amusing on thy most favorite flute, thou leave no cupid heart of the Vrajagopis untouched in alluring dance as per thy tune. Thou art as Gopala, our sport at Vraja with thy eternal cowherd comrades accompanied with cows. Thou hast punished the wicked Kaliya. Thou art ever athirst to enjoy sports with thy sweetheart gopis on the fine and most enchanting sands of Yamuna. How beautiful thou shine with thy earrings kissing thy cheeks. I pay my obeisances unto thy lotus feet. Vallavi vadanamboja मालिने नित्यशालिने नमः प्रणतपालाय Sri Krishnaya namo namaha. O Lord, when the lotus-like gopis, with their poignancy of love, are in close embrace with thyself, having their mouth kissing thy cheeks, as it were, they are garlands hanging around thy neck, and thereby thou become like a big bee hovering round the lotuses with heart so thrilled. O the beacon of love fulfiller of the cherished desire of thy unalloyed devotees, I pay my obeisances unto thee. Namah papa pranashaya govardhanadharaya cha putana jivitantaya trinavarta suharine. O Lord, thy leelas are countless. Thou totally destroy the sins and the very nescience of thy devotees. I take beseech at thy lotus feet. O the Govardhanadhari Gopala, uplifter of Govardhanagiri, thou at thy very infancy playfully killed demoness Putana and also so fancifully brought the death of demon Trinavarta. I pay my obeisance to thy lotus feet. Nishkalaya vimohaya shuddhaya shuddhavairine advitiyaya mahate Sri Krishnaya namo namaha. O the merciful Lord Vasudeva, thou art the supreme Lord par excellence. Thou art the Lord of beyond any Maic modification. Thou art the Lord of transcendence. Thou art ever totally free from any mundane infatuation. Thou art the very embodiment of transcendental wisdom, love and bliss. Those who are averse to thyself think thyself as their enemy. Thou art the one supreme absolute Lord, and absolutely there is none equal or superior to thyself. Thou Sri Krishna, the supreme par excellence, I make my humble obeisance to thy lotus feet. Prasida Paramananda, Prasida Parameshwara, Adivyadi Bhujangena, Dashtam Mamuddara Prabho. O the Lord of transcendental bliss, kindly be gracious unto this humble self. O the Almighty Lord, be kind unto me, the poorest soul as I am, so suffering like a person bitten by a snake due to the pang of dissociation from thyself. Kindly deliver me up from this unspeakable and immeasurable suffering. Sri Krishna Rukmini Kanta Gopi Jana Manohara Samsara Sagare Magnam Mamuddhara Jagat Guru. O all merciful Lord Sri Krishna, thou art the Rukmini Kanta, the beloved of Sri Rukmini Devi. Thou art the very cynosure or enchanter of the love-laden gopis. O the Jagat Guru, the deliverer of all the people of the earth. As I am a fallen soul, drowned in this unsurmountable ocean of hellish worldliness, kindly deliver me up. Keshava Klesha Harana Narayana Janardana Govinda Paramananda Mam Samuddhara Madhava. He Keshava, He Narayana, the very destroyer of all worldly sufferings. He Janardana, He Govinda, He Paramananda, He Madhava, kindly deliver me up and take me at thy blissful lotus feet. ओम नमो विश्वरूपाय विश्वस्थित्यन्तहेतवे विश्वेश्वराय विश्वाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। नमो विज्ञानरूपाय परमानन्दरूपिणे कृष्णाय गोपीनाथाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। नमः कमलनेत्राय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलनाभाय कमलापतये नमः। बर्हा पीडाभिरामाय रामया कुण्ठमेधसे रमामानसहंसाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः। कंसवंशविनाशाय केशिचाणुरघातिने वृषभध्वजवन्द्याय पार्थसारथये नमः। वेणुवादनशीलाय गोपालायाहिमर्दिने कालिन्दीकूललोलाय लोलकुण्डलधारिणे वल्लवीवदनाम्बोजमालिने नृत्यशालिने नमः प्रणतपालाय श्रीकृष्णाय नमो नमः। नमः पापप्रणाशाय गोवर्धनधराय च पूतनाजीवितान्ताय तृणावर्तासुहारिणे निष्कलाय विमोहाय शुद्धायाशुद्धवैरिणे अद्वितीयाय महते श्रीकृष्णाय नमो नमः। प्रसीद परमानंद प्रसीद परमेश्वर आदिव्याधिभुजंगेन दष्टं मामुद्धर प्रभो। श्रीकृष्ण रुक्मिणी कांत गोपी जनमनोहर संसार सागरे मग्नं मामुद्धर जगद्गुरो। केशव क्लेश हरण नारायण जनार्दन गोविंद परमानंद मां समुद्धर माधव। अथैवं श्रुतिभिराराधयामि यथा यूयं तथा पंचपदं जपन्त श्रीकृष्णं ध्यायन्त संसृतितरिष्येतेति होवाच हैरण्यः। Brahma then said to the Munis, as I make my panegyric to Bhagavan Sri Krishna, accordingly you all should culture the most glorious fivefold mantra and make panegyric with these hymns. Thereby easily you all will be surely delivered up from the worldly ocean. Amum panchapadam mantramavartayedyah sayatyanaasayata kevalam tatpadam tat anejadekam manaso javiyo नैतद्देवा आप्नुवन् पूर्वमर्षदिति. Now Shruti Devi, out of her compassion towards the jivas, says, one who chants that fivefold most mysterious claim mantra, he without any difficulty attains that transcendental, all blissful Supreme God Vasudeva. This Supreme God Vasudeva, when he is once attained, there remains no fall from that plane of transcendence. But he is adhokshaja, inconceivable to the gross material senses. Even the great gods like Brahma and others could not realize him through their personal endeavor. So long he, out of his own prerogative, does not bestow his grace, one cannot realize him by one's own empiricism. Tasmat Krishna eva paro deva tam dhyayet tam rasayet tam yajet tam bhajediti. Om Tat Saditi. Therefore, when it is established without any contradiction that Sri Krishna, Shyama Sundara, two-armed Gopijana Vallabha Sri Krishna, the Swayam Rupa, the Supreme Godhead par excellence, is the Supreme God par excellence, so he should be meditated upon or eternally to be served. One should serve him with unalloyed devotion, augmenting Raganuga Prema Bhakti under the benediction of Vraja Gopis, and be ever intoxicated with drinking deep the nectarian bliss that spontaneously flows from his Leela Madhurya. Others who are not so fortunate to follow Raganuga Prema Bhakti, they should worship him following ninefold devotional method prescribed in the Bhagavatam, which Sravana Kirtana, etc. This is the final verdict in respect to the Supreme Divinity and his service. Om Tat Sat.